चलो एक और राउंड खेलते हैं। रॉक पेपर सीजर्स -1।
This is a rock, paper, and scissor, right? That's a very interesting game. You see, this a dangerous game as well. So let's get started. And using a Python, we create a simple rock, paper, scissor game. So let's get started. So first, input random. Why? Okay, understand one by one. Why we are importing random? Random is basically when we get your input for a computer, right? We just basically playing with the computers. So when we get an input of a computer, so in that particular case, we need to use that random function, right? For the randomization, basically computer use anything in between the rock, paper, and scissor. So for that, we import the random. So first we get a user input, right? And created a function that's a get user choice. Okay. After that, we simply get a user and get an input. Enter your choice between rock, paper, and scissor. It's a lowercase, right? Lowercase. It's mean why we are getting lowercase, because when user input in uppercase, right? So that's directly converted in lowercase. That's why we simply using the lowercase. Similarly, let's say while user not in okay, that's okay. User get a input between them, right? But problem is what happen when user not get a rock, paper, scissor, and basically spelling mistake, or that can be anything, right? So in that particular case, we simply get an input, invalid input. So please enter rock, paper, scissor, right? So simply enter rock, paper, scissor. In similarly in lowercase, and return simply we are returning user. That is the user input. Okay. After the user input, we simply get a simply computer input. Okay. So computer input is simple. We simply create a function. So get computer choice, and after that we simply okay, not that. Okay, we get a definition computer choice. Okay, and simply we are returning random dot choice between rock, paper, and scissors. Basically on computer choose randomly that kind of rock, maybe paper, scissor, that will be anything, right? And now time to choose a winner. Okay, we creating simply the uh, user input, we getting the computer input, right? After that, we simply get a user defined definition, right? How user win. So basically definition determine winner, and we are in function we getting simple concept, so to simple variable, that is user and computer, right? First, if the user is equal to computer, so it's a tie, right? That is simple thing, tie. But what happen when a user get a rock and computer get a scissor, right? And user get a paper and computer get a rock. Similarly, in third case, user get a scissor and computer get a paper. So in all of these conditions, user will win, right? User will win, and simply we are returning you win. Similarly, in else condition, we simply return the computer win, right? That is simple concept. After that, let's play the game. Before the playing game, let's define a game, right? How to play VR. So first, we simply define a function, play a game, and the simple print is a welcome to the rock, paper, scissor game, right? This we are converting in that particular things, when you play in a mobile game with the computer, right? So this is welcome to a rock, paper, scissor game, and we simply apply the loop, while loop, if true, right? User choice is equal to get user input, and the computer choice is a get a uh, computer choice, right? That's defining in a that function. So that is simple concept, and simply we are printing user choice, that user choice, computer choice, that is a computer choice, and simply print the determine winner, user and computer choice, right? Okay, that is a simple function, because determine the winner, So that's the function that we are creating, how the winner are we can decide. Okay, so that is a simple fun and concept. After that, you simply play again. After the completing the game, you want to play again. So you ask to the user, you want to play again. If say yes, so you continue your game. And if the user says no, simply we stop the game and go forward. And basically the print thank for play and subscribe. Okay, so if play yes, so and break. Okay, if play again, it's near, so it's a break that loop. Okay, if says no, it's mean the print thank you for playing subscribe. So now time to play a game. Rock paper scissors, rock paper scissors. Okay, rock paper scissors, you will see the many cases. Okay, so first let's get started. So let's play a game and simply we are get input. We are getting rock. Okay, enter, and we want to play. After that, yeah, we want to play. Yes, so you win. Yeah, that is welcome back to rock paper scissors, and you will see this my choice rock, and computer choice is randomly paper, and result is a sorry computer win. That's bad for me. Okay, no problem. We get another choice. Let's this time we are getting paper. You want to play? No. Okay. So thank you. Oh, sorry. This time I'm winning because I'm choose a paper and computer choose a rock. So I will win. That type of you create the game using Python functions, right? And this is the simplest form of making game. Okay, and Python, YAML, NLP, this all the projects we are uploading in that particular channel. So subscribe for that.